Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. Beautiful styles and beautiful crochet applique and like different patchwork and crochet embroidery styles and ladies handbag like authentic and beautiful ideas. Handbags ideas like different styling and crocheting a handbag can be a fun and creative project. Here are a basic pattern to get you started on a simple and different beautiful casual handbags. So I hope you like it, my video and my channel. Feel free to customize your handbags with different stitches, pattern, colors, or embellishment to make it unique. Enjoy your crocheting handbags ideas. And here are some ideas and varieties you can explore. Create a classic tote bag with sturdy handles. You can use a thick cotton yarn for durability and add fronts at the bottom. For a bohemian look, use earthy tones and texture stitches. Like design a lightweight mesh style bag for carrying grocery or beads. It's both functional and issue friendly. So use a granny skirt to make a colorful and eye-catching handbag. Mix and match colors for a playful effect.